Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Empower for retirement account insurance options, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Empower login page. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, look for the Login section. Enter your username in the designated field. Double-check your username for any typos. Next, move on to the password field. Type in your secure password. Verify your password for accuracy. Locate the login button and click on it. Wait for the page to process your login request. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to your Empower dashboard. Once on the dashboard, look for the section labeled Retirement Accounts or Insurance Options. Click on that section to explore available. Review the information presented to you about retirement account insurance. If you have specific questions, look for the help or support options available on the site. If you need to reset your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consider clearing your browser cache. Alternatively, try logging in using a different browser or device. This completes your guide on how to log into Empower for retirement account insurance options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.